Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the core of what it means to be a programmer, problem solving. Coding isn't just about typing out lines of code, it's about facing challenges, thinking critically, and finding creative solutions. Every line of code you write solves a tiny piece of a larger puzzle. So, what's the problem solving process for programmers? First, define the problem. Before you even touch the keyboard, get clear on what you're trying to achieve. What's the goal? And just as important, what are the constraints? Think about building a house. You wouldn't start hammering nails without a blueprint. Similarly, defining the problem gives you that initial blueprint to work from. Next, gather information. A lot of time, someone has already tackled a similar problem. Research the problem, look at existing solutions, and understand the limits of these approaches. If you're working with a new programming framework, for example, read the documentation, check out tutorials, and see if there are code examples that address parts of your problem. Knowledge is power, and gathering information will help you avoid reinventing the wheel. Then, break it down. Big problems can feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller, more manageable tasks. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't just charge to the peak. Instead, you divide it into stages, taking one step at a time. The same goes for programming. Break down the problem, tackle each piece, and gradually work your way toward the solution. Develop a plan. Once you have a clear problem definition and a breakdown, sketch out a roadmap. This step-by-step solution is your guide. Imagine you're navigating through a forest. Without a map, you could easily get lost. Your plan acts as your map, guiding you from where you are now to where you need to be. And remember, sometimes the simplest plan is the best one. Finally, test and iterate. Now that you have a plan, it's time to implement it and see how it works. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry. Test it, make adjustments, and refine your approach. Let's say you're designing a feature for a new app, but it doesn't perform as expected in testing. That's normal. Use those test results to make improvements. Every iteration gets you one step closer to the perfect solution. Now let's talk about cultivating the right mindset to become a problem-solving machine. To start, curiosity is key. Be eager to learn and explore. Ask questions, experiment, and don't just accept things at face value. Curious developers tend to find more innovative solutions because they dig deeper and explore options others might overlook. Then, there's persistence. Don't give up when things get tough. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Real-world problems don't always have a quick fix, so keep pushing forward and stay committed. Creativity also plays a huge role in problem solving. Sometimes, the best solutions are outside the box. When faced with a tough problem, think of different angles or approaches. An unexpected solution can often be the most effective one. Critical thinking is another vital trait. Break down the problem logically, analyze it from all angles, and look for patterns or common pitfalls. Being able to step back and examine the issue from multiple perspectives will help you avoid mistakes and find effective solutions. Lastly, collaboration. Don't hesitate to ask for help or bounce ideas off others. Great solutions often come from teamwork, and discussing ideas with other people can give you fresh perspectives or solutions you hadn't considered. So, what are the rewards of becoming a strong problem solver? When you master problem solving, you unlock the ability to build, innovate, and contribute in meaningful ways. Imagine being able to create software that solves real-world problems, like an app that helps reduce waste or improves healthcare access. As a programmer, your skills can make a real difference. Not only that, but the satisfaction of solving a tough problem is incredibly rewarding. It builds confidence, drives innovation, and sets you up for future success. The skills you develop through problem solving extend beyond coding. They apply to every aspect of life. So, here's the takeaway. Embrace problem solving as an essential part of your journey. It might not be easy at first, but the rewards are worth the effort. Keep practicing, stay curious, and push yourself to become the best programmer you can be. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a like. Keep learning, keep solving, and I'll see you in the next video.